Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good too, thank you. It is a nice day, isn't it?
Yes, it is a beautiful day. The sun is shining and the air is fresh.
Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept very well. I went to bed early and woke up feeling rested. How about you?
I slept well too. I had a good night's sleep and feel energetic today.
That is great to hear. How do you feel this morning? Are you happy and healthy?
Yes, I feel happy and healthy. I had a light breakfast with some fruit and tea.
I had eggs and toast with a cup of coffee. A good breakfast always helps me start the day.
Absolutely. I always feel better when I eat healthy food. Do you drink water often in the morning?
Yes, I drink a glass of water as soon as I wake up. Water is very important for health.
I agree. I try to drink at least one glass of water after I wake up.
How are you feeling now, Alice? Are you still feeling energetic?
I feel good, but a little tired sometimes because I have a busy day. How about you?
I sometimes feel a bit tired in the afternoon, but a short walk helps me feel fresh again.
Speaking of walks, do you often go outside to get some fresh air?
Yes, I usually go for a walk in the park after work. It makes me feel calm and relaxed.
I love the park too. I often sit on a bench and watch the birds. It is very peaceful.
That sounds nice. What kind of birds do you like to watch?
I like to watch little sparrows and sometimes robins. Their chirping makes me happy.
I enjoy watching robins as well. They have bright red breasts and look very cheerful.
Do you have any hobbies that help you relax?
Yes, I like listening to music and reading simple books. It helps me reduce stress.
I also enjoy reading, and sometimes I do a little bit of drawing. These hobbies make me feel calm.
It is important to take care of our mental and physical health. How is your body feeling today?
I feel healthy. I do not have any pain or discomfort. I even did some light stretching this morning.
That is good. I sometimes have a small headache, but I take a rest and it goes away quickly.
I am sorry you had a headache. I hope you feel better soon if it happens again.
Thank you, Alice. I try to rest and drink water when I feel a little headache coming.
That is a good idea. Listening to our body is very important.
How is your family, Alice? I hope everyone is well.
Yes, my family is fine. My mother and father are healthy, and my little brother is studying at school.
That is wonderful. I have a small family too. My sister is working and my parents are enjoying their retirement.
Family is so important. I always ask them how they are feeling, especially during busy days.
I do the same. A simple, "How are you?" to a family member can brighten their day.
Exactly. It shows that we care about each other.
Speaking of caring, how do you feel about your work? Are you happy at your job today?
Yes, I feel good at work. My colleagues are friendly, and we help each other out.
That is great. I feel happy at my job too. I work in an office, and my boss always asks How are you doing today?
That is very nice. Small greetings at work make the day better.
Do you ever feel stressed at work?
Sometimes I feel stressed, but I try to relax by taking short breaks. I take a walk or make a cup of tea.
I feel the same. When I feel stressed, I listen to soft music and do some deep breathing.
Music is a great way to reduce stress. What kind of music do you listen to?
I like soft pop music and sometimes classical music. It is very soothing.
I enjoy pop music too. It makes me feel energetic and happy.
By the way, how do you usually greet people in the morning?
I say good morning with a smile. I also ask, how are you?
I do the same. I think a simple, "Hello, how are you?" can start the day with positivity.
Yes, it is a kind way to start a conversation. Do you ask people about their health often?
I do, especially my friends and family. I ask, "Are you feeling well?" Or, "How is your day going?"
I also ask, how is your family? And are you doing okay? It is important to care.
Absolutely. A caring word can make someone's day. Sometimes I even ask, "Did you sleep well?" Because a good night's sleep is important.
That is true. I always ask my parents about their sleep, and it makes them happy that I care.
What do you like to do in the afternoon when you feel a little tired?
I like to take a short nap or listen to some calm music. It helps me recharge.
I often take a 10-minute walk outside. The fresh air and a little exercise make me feel refreshed.
Do you sometimes meet friends for a chat during the day?
Yes, I meet my friends for coffee. We ask each other, "How are you today?" and share our feelings.
I love that. It is nice to have a friend who always asks about your well-being.
I agree. A simple chat can lift your mood. How do you feel when we talk like this?
I feel very happy and cared for. Our conversation makes me smile and feel warm inside.
That is so kind, Alice. I feel the same way. It is always a pleasure to talk with you.
Do you have any plans for later today?
After work, I plan to go for another walk in the park. I might even call a friend to join me.
That sounds like a good plan. I might visit the market and then relax at home with a book.
Enjoy your time at the market. Fresh fruits and vegetables can also make you feel good.
Yes, I love fresh food. It helps me stay energetic and healthy.
What do you usually do in the evening to relax?
In the evening, I like to read a little and listen to some soft music. Sometimes I talk with my family on the phone.
That is very nice. I also like to relax by watching a short TV show or reading a simple article online.
It is important to have some quiet time at the end of the day. It helps me sleep better.
Do you ever worry about your health?
Sometimes I worry a little when I feel a bit under the weather, but I try to take care of myself by resting and eating healthy food.
I understand. When I feel a little sick, I always take some medicine and rest. It helps me recover faster.
That is a good idea. I also take vitamins and sometimes call my doctor if I feel really bad.
How often do you visit your doctor?
I visit my doctor once a year for a checkup. It is important to know that you are healthy.
I visit my doctor twice a year. It helps me stay on top of my health.
Regular checkups are a good habit.
How is your heart feeling today, Alice? Not in a medical way, but emotionally.
My heart feels warm and happy because I know you care about me. How is your heart?
My heart is full of gratitude. I feel thankful when a friend like you asks, "How are you?"
That is very kind, Ben. A caring heart makes every day better.
Do you think that asking, "How are you?" is important in our daily life?
Yes, I believe it is. It shows that we care for one another and that we are interested in each other's well-being.
I agree. A simple greeting and a kind question can change someone's day completely.
Even if the answer is just, I am fine, it makes me feel connected.
I feel the same way. I always try to greet people with a smile and ask, "How are you?"
A smile and a kind word are like a little gift. They make the world a bit brighter.
Yes, they do. I always try to share good thoughts with everyone I meet.
Ben, what do you do if you feel a little sad during the day?
When I feel sad, I call a friend or listen to my favorite music. I also take a walk to clear my mind.
That is a good idea. I sometimes write in my diary to express my feelings.
Writing is a good way to let out emotions. It makes me feel better when I write down my thoughts.
I sometimes write simple notes about my day. It helps me see the good things around me.
I like that idea. Maybe I should try writing more often. It might help me understand my feelings better.
We can both try. It is always good to learn new ways to care for our mental health.
How do you feel about the weather today, Alice?
I love the weather today. It is sunny and the sky is blue. It makes me feel cheerful and calm.
I agree. A sunny day lifts my mood and gives me energy. I love to sit outside and enjoy the warmth.
Sometimes I just sit by the window and watch the sun. It is a peaceful way to start the day.
Do you like to greet your neighbors or people you meet on the street?
Yes, I always say good morning to my neighbors. A friendly greeting makes the day better for everyone.
I do the same. When I see someone, I smile and say, "Hello, how are you?"
That is very friendly and kind. It shows that you care about the people around you.
I believe that even a small act of kindness can make a big difference.
Absolutely. A small, how are you, can help someone feel seen and loved.
I try to remember that every day. It makes my world a little brighter.
Ben, do you think we should remind more people to care about their health and feelings?
Yes, I do. I often tell my family and friends to take care of themselves and to always ask, "Are you okay?"
That is a great habit. I remind my parents to rest and to eat healthy food.
We all need a little reminder sometimes. Life can be busy, and it is easy to forget to care for ourselves.
That is very true. I try to slow down and take deep breaths when I feel overwhelmed.
I do the same. A few deep breaths and a short walk can change my mood quickly.
It is amazing how simple actions can help us feel better.
Before we finish our chat, I want to ask, how do you feel about our friendship?
I feel very happy and grateful for our friendship. Your care and kind words make my day brighter.
I feel the same way. Talking with you helps me relax and feel connected.
Our daily greetings and chats are a little gift that I look forward to every day.
I am glad we share this time together. It reminds me that even on busy days, we can take a moment to care for each other.
Yes, it is important. I always try to end my day by thinking of one good thing. Today, it is our conversation.
That is a wonderful thought. I will remember it as I finish my work today.
Now I must go and finish my tasks. But I am happy we talked and asked about each other's health.
I understand, Alice. I have some work to do too, but I will take a break later and go for my walk.
That sounds great. I hope you enjoy your walk and have a wonderful rest of your day.
Thank you, Alice. I hope you have a good time at the market and enjoy your book as well.
Let us meet again soon, maybe tomorrow morning, to say good morning and ask, "How are you?" once more.
I would love that. It is always nice to start the day with a friendly conversation.
Yes, it is. I look forward to our next chat. Thank you for caring and for sharing your day with me.
Thank you, Alice, for being a caring friend. I appreciate every moment we share.
Before I go, I want to remind you, take care of your health and remember to drink water and rest when you need it.
I will, Alice. You take care too. Remember, a small "How are you?" can make a big difference in our lives.
I will keep that in my heart. Have a great day, Ben, and I will talk to you soon.
Have a wonderful day, Alice. Goodbye for now, and see you later.
Goodbye, Ben, and take care of yourself.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.